Brooklyn, what do you have there? Did Mommy make pancakes? Are you not sure about those? I promise they're not burnt. They do look a little black, but they're not. Oh, first bite of pancake. No. Oh, it fell down on her lap. Is that good stuff? No? Stuck to your thumb? Is that good? No? Pretty girl. You want to try a piece? Brooklyn, let's try a small piece. Don't push Mommy's hand away. Here, look. Okay, so pancakes are apparently not a very good hit. Brooklyn. Try. Okay, guess that's a no. We'll see if she does anything with those. Say bye, Brooklyn. Say bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Good girl. Alright, bye.